So tomorrow on 21st February, we'll be hosting a group mock interview session which will be happening from 6 o'clock. If you're interested, please do come and join. It's going to be a great, crazy learning session, In terms of learning, we'll be analyzing your mistakes, where you can improve, how you can improve. All the aspects we'll be discussing in detail. So first we'll be having a test, and then gradually we will be starting with the entire feedback session. So don't miss this opportunity. Tomorrow's group mock interview is going to be super crazy, super important. You'll find all the all the details about this webinar as well as details in the below description box. Make sure that you are joining it, and I'll also be showing you a few couple of feedbacks of our students who actually was impressed by our mock interview. Few couple of feedbacks are going to be played now, so I hope by looking at you get inspired. Do not miss it. For example, you're preparing for Christ training, top-notch colleges. Interview plays a very important, crucial role. So either it could be for Symbiosis, Christ, Jane, as well as St. Joseph, all the colleges, interview plays a very important role. Your high marking score area plays in this particular role. So keeping that in the mind, make sure that you are preparing very well, hardworking very well, and make all the mistakes for tomorrow, because we are there to guide you. And I'll be just providing you the feedbacks, what students have said. Getting inspired by that, you can join our WhatsApp community group. You can be part of it, and we can see you tomorrow. Wish you all the best. Good luck. Like how the entire interview was. How did you feel everything?
It's amazing. It's like a lightning lamp in the dark.
Oh, thank you. All right.
You're acting like that. And also, sir, I mean, I can say it's very affordable for students like us. Other coaching institutes are charging 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees for interview. It's very affordable, and such a great insights you are giving at such a small price. So it's wonderful, sir.
Meaningful. I really like the idea that there was certain reason or to test a particular skill, there was every question. And of course, the feedback was also great. How you pointed out each and everything that I need to work upon. And you covered all the aspects, as you mentioned, the fact-based and the behavioral and everything. So that was also great. I would surely like to come again for the mock interview and perform better. And yeah, I think it was all over great. And actually the knowledge that you have regarding the entire interview process was also great. So I think, yes, sir.
Thank you, Bhavya. Thank you so much. That really
Thank you. I mean, and you are like amazing in terms of getting feedback and everything. Like you helped me in doing meditation. I will definitely do it tomorrow. So thank you so much for all of this. Thank you so much, sir.